Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to block ads on your Facebook application. To block any ads that pop up on your Facebook application, first of all, open your Facebook and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then scroll down and go through the setting and privacy and then hit on settings. From here, go through the account center. There you will see an option of add preferences. Hit on that. Then go through the manage info and then select categories used to reach you. For now it is used. Select to not used. Once you do this for all of them, your ad will be blocked. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.